Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. 20 volt cordless LED hand light from Parkside, the model PHLA 20LIA1. Bare unit only, battery and charger not included. One battery series over 100 devices, compatible with all X20 volt Team Series rechargeable batteries. 7 LEDs with power consumption for each 3 watts. Brightness levels 1000 lumen and 2500 lumen. Light color cool white 6500K. Accessories included with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Included we have and the manual. One 12 volt car cigarette lighter connection with a 3 meters of cable, very convenient. And the light, we have soft elements around and at the handle, very convenient. The 7 LED lights at the front, each one with power 3 watts. Very robust. On-off switch here for hanging. 1/4 internal thread here. And of course you need batteries. You can use regular batteries or the professional 4 ampere hours and 8 ampere hours, and you need one charger to charge the batteries. I'm sure you have Parkside power tools and use your batteries. I will use the 4 ampere hours, or if you want, down here we have the connection at the bottom for the cigarette lighter adapter. Use that. You can use this light for emergency for your car. Right now I will use it with the battery. Once, wow, and the second. Nice, it is bright. So let's give it a test at total dark, see how well it can illuminate my area. Is a versatile and portable lighting solution designed for various tasks requiring bright illumination. Perfect for mechanics working under vehicles, electricians in dark cabinets, DIYers tackling home renovations, emergency power outage lighting. And that's the Parkside Cordless LED hand light, your ultimate workshop wingman. Whether you are fixing cars, tackling midnight DIY projects, or just hunting for lost screws, this 20 volt cordless light throws a crisp, shadow-free beam right where you need it. If this light just solved your I can't see a thing struggles, smash that like button and subscribe for more genius tools. Stay bright, stay productive, and I'll catch you in the next video.